Welcome back to the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel. We are back with another video. We went on a little adventure this morning, this nice Saturday morning here in Florida. Good 75, 80 degrees, you know. But we took the trailer and the dually. And we went and picked something up. Something that I'm excited to show you guys. So without further ado, let's unload it. What do we have here? I'm kind of confused. Didn't we just sell a Camaro?
We just sold a Camaro.
I know, we just sold a Camaro, literally.
A Camaro.
Like maybe 5 days ago.
This one's a little prettier though.
It is it's a little prettier. I mean, it's a little cooler too.
A little cooler.
A little cooler, a little prettier. A little faster, can go a little faster, that's for sure. Okay, what do you think? Off the top of your head right now, what do you think?
Badass.
Badass.
Is the word that I would use.
I think it's pretty badass.
It is
myself.
very badass.
Yeah. I can't even. I don't even have words right now. It's a tad dirty.
It is dirty. It needs cleaning. Been sitting for a little bit.
It has been sitting, and it is a little dirty.
Brand new, never ran.
Brand new. It is a brand new 68 Camaro. The V3 body style of the mcamis bodies for the Camaro. Brand new, never ran. Vanishing point race cars, double rail. Show you guys up here. Double rail to the front. It's even got brand new front tires. I mean, the car is brand new. It's never been ran. There's no holes in the firewall. It's not
wired, not plumbed.
Not wired, not plumbed. Nobody's 4 different combinations were in the car before.
All carbon fiber powder coated chassis.
Powder coated chassis. Got some remnants of a split panel up there. Carbon fiber seat, carbon fiber tubs, bunch of carbon like strips. I mean, these things are big money. These carbon fiber strips like that.
Badass.
She is badass. Like the Mustang's like, what is going on over here? What is this in front of me? Get under the rear end. Fabricated 9-inch rear end. It does have a center section. Double bead locks. We do have the doors in front end, and it also even has all the Lexan. It's got the front windshield Lexan right here. Same thing with the back. Parachute mount. On and off thing. The side, the quarter windows Lexan. Right here. Some way it goes in there like that. But she's dirty. All right, clean her up a little bit. It's just been sitting. Brand new vanishing point 68. Brand new vanishing point 68 Camaro. Damn. Well, I'm sitting in the Camaro, but it's a different Camaro.
But it's a different Camaro. Way nicer Camaro.
Way nicer Camaro. And honestly, I fit pretty well in it.
Yeah, that's scary.
There's a switch panel. I feel like I've done this before, but in another Camaro. Steering wheel. It's got one of these fancy dancy steering wheels that everybody likes with all the holes in it. Parachute handles, place for a shifter. Perfect spot for me, really. The tubs. It is, honestly, it's a very nice car. It's like I said, it's a Vanishing Point race cars car, and it is pretty daggum nice. I ain't gonna lie, there's tons of carbon fiber on it. I mean, the Mustang and this car, there's no, you can't say what car is a better car because they're both the same level of car. I mean, it's crazy. This car is set up, the mounts are set up for a turbo 400, so it's probably what will go in here. But now that we got her kind of cleaned up, because it was pretty dusty. It was just dusty from just sitting, really. Good. It was dusty from sitting. I polished up the back rim real quick. The inside. Oh, let me put this window net up. I don't like it just dangling like that. Kind of Stroud window net. Damn. The net, yeah. Well, I don't know what they go out at. I don't know, the Mustangs need to be certed. So I guess I could just send them both out at the same time. Strange struts on there. This isn't mounted yet. That's for the radiator. It's got a polished motor plate and a mid plate, which is pretty cool. Here's the strange struts. It's got full throttle rims, which are kind of similar to the V series, just a tad different. Which are cool because I think those rims look pretty nice. Like I said, they're no, honestly, they look like V series, but I mean they're just as good as the rim. And here, this is for the doors. They just need really bolted up. There's the doors over there. Interior, after cleaning it up, carbon fiber seat. Here's the Vanishing Point tag. Also, you might wonder what that is. That is a tow hook. So, in case you don't got the push bar or whatever, we could just, like that, and put the tow strap up to the back of the golf cart and tow it up to the staging lanes or back from a run or whatever. So here's the wheelie bars. Actually, a really nice set of wheelie bars. Powder coated. So the whole chassis is powder coated. It's not paint. Those are the rocker panels. For right here. These are the carbon fiber door inserts. Well, we put the front end on it. I don't know if, did I show them the front end on it? Yeah, I don't think so. Put the front end on it. And that looks like a turbo car. A little bit. So, we're kind of just new boot goofing, really. I mean, nothing's, it's just new car, new boot goofing. But, looks pretty good. The front end really still needs to be finished mounted. The doors, obviously need to be finished mounted. It looks really good, though. Got the wheelie bars on there. Parachute, they're all kind of just, the parachute mount's just taped up there. Damn. Also, the body comes off. So, it unbolts. So basically, we'll show you guys that at some point.